Howdy, neighbor. You're not gonna believe the price of this custom single-story home in a gated neighborhood. Come check it out. This house has been customized from the ground up. It's unlike any other house in this neighborhood, with walls removed and remodeled until it was perfectly situated for modern luxury. You see the large ceramic tiles throughout the house, the oversized ceiling fan, and the built-in entertainment, perfect for those who like to have friends over and entertain large groups. And one of my favorite features isn't just my buddy here. It's the custom fireplace, perfect for modern luxury living with that sense of cozy warmth. If the people you're entertaining can't fit at this massive, elongated custom table, well, they're sure to fit in this deluxe entertainer kitchen with every single upgrade imaginable. From the custom quartz countertops to the massive Frigidaire refrigerator, 4-bar stool seating, white lacquer cabinets, metallic backsplash, range hood. Emeril Lagasse could cook in this kitchen, okay? Gordon Ramsay could cook in this kitchen. This is a kitchen meant for people with big and good taste. Look at these custom quartz countertops built to look like petrified wood. These are perfect, and you are not going to see these anywhere else. The backyard is almost 13,000 square feet, which in Vegas, you guys know, that's pretty spectacular. We don't have much room. You have the covered patio with enough room for 2 ceiling fans, patio dining, and as you can see behind me, full RV parking for those of you who like to wander. And when I tell you this house is completely custom, I mean not only do you have RV parking, but you have a custom electrical outlet for your RV. Every single inch of this house has been thought of for those who like to travel and wander. One of the big selling points of this house, besides its beautiful custom luxury, is the flexibility space of its rooms. For instance, this design as an office also has an option of being another bedroom with closet, windows, and space for bed already built in. In this room, which is an ode to a love of bikes and racing, could also be your office, den, playroom for kids, or just another guest bedroom with bathroom already built into the facilities. My next favorite feature is this house has not 1, but 2 master bedrooms. We're gonna walk past the first so I can show you the one in the back, a perfect mother-in-law suite, or if you have someone staying for a long time with you, a perfect guest bedroom. Currently staged as another living room, it has room for bed, couch, TV, and like the rest of the house, a fully custom bathroom. Not an inch of this house was left from its original model. Now let me show you guys what you all came for. One of the most special master bathrooms you have ever seen. As we transition into the master bedroom, you see the tiles expand and get even bigger, more custom to your liking. Check out this closet right here. That's enough space for everything. All the shoes, okay? All the shoes. Now check this out. Oh, look at this. Marble shower, custom tiles. I could throw a pool party in here if I wanted to. Because that's not enough, the garden tub inside the shower. That's right, one of you guys can shower, the other person can sit in the garden tub, you guys can enjoy your nightclub shower together. This is a custom work of art from the door to the floor, from the window to the wall. Everything in here is custom. This is one of several reasons this house is a beyond luxury home. I have seen luxury $1 million homes that don't have this much customization, this much taste, this much perfection. Like I said, you guys won't believe how much this completely custom luxury single-story house is. Not $1 million, not even $900,000. This house is under $700,000 at $675. This is crazy. I have seen $1 million luxury homes that are half the quality of this. You've got to check it out today. 4112 Tarkin, in my favorite area of Las Vegas, private, secure. You're going to love this house. So if you are looking to find your next Las Vegas dream home, make sure you contact me today. Pull out your phone, scan the QR code, and let's work together. Come on, won't you be my neighbor?